Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. If I ask you what's the most common food that you find in Chinese restaurant, you're probably going to answer me, fried rice. You're absolutely right. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple fried rice recipe that we use every day. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let me show you what the ingredient we need.
Rice left in fridge overnight is the best for fried rice. Add 2 egg yolks to the rice. Let every rice coated with egg yolk. You need scallion, red pepper, and baby shrimp for this recipe. Heat up vegetable oil and add egg white into the wok. Add some scallion, add red pepper and the baby shrimp. Add rice into the wok and start stir and fry. Add 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon chicken oil. Add more scallion and keep stir and fry. Add the rest of the scallion. Add some olive oil or seasoned oil for final touch.
There's many ways to cook fried rice. What I just showed you is the most simple one. I'm going to show you different type of fried rice in my future video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.